What is Thai massage? %90 people only watch videos, don't subscribe. Please, I request you to subscribe our channel. Thai massage is famous all over the world, so if you decide to travel to Thailand, it is something that definitely cannot be missing from your to-do list. Everyone has heard of it, but despite its growing popularity, most tourists arrive in Thailand without really knowing what traditional Thai massage is. Here in Thailand you will find a very wide offer. In tourist areas, especially, a short walk in either direction is likely to bring you to the doorstep of a massage shop in a matter of minutes, if not seconds. And I mean a serious massage, not a Thai massage with a happy ending or other special services, which are also available. What is special about traditional Thai massage and how is it different from other types of massage? Although traditional Thai massage is a highly enjoyable massage that can provide great serenity, it is not a pleasant experience for everyone. In Thai massage, the patient lies on a tatami or hard mat on the floor, and the masseuse, most of the massage therapists are women, uses her hands, elbows and knees, taking advantage of the weight of her body in the massage execution. Thai massage candle. Traditional Thai massage is both a relaxation and a decontracting massage, with many stretchings involved. That is, the therapist will stretch your limbs, neck, back and torso. To give you an idea, Thai massage techniques are similar to some used in yoga practice. The masseuse will also apply pressure to certain points on your body. Thanks to this, you will release tension in your muscle tissue at a deeper level than what you would reach with a Western massage. During the massage, the masseuse gets to press very hard, so there may be times when you feel pain. A common misconception is to think there is such a thing as traditional Thai oil massage, since traditional Thai massage doesn't use oils of any kind. Most massage shops will lend their clients loose, clean clothing for the occasion. Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to stop missing out on future videos and fantastic information.